Hello dears, welcome to Beautiful Heart. I'm Leng, also known as Lulu. Today I'll be sharing with you the Dominic Cosmetics Berries and Cream 3 eye makeup look. So this is one of the look. If you are keen to know how I achieved this look, please continue watching. If you haven't watched my previous video, that is the review for this palette, please watch the previous video, which I will link somewhere here. So let's get started. And now for the look number 1, I'm thinking of creating a berry look simply by using the color names with berries. So now I'm going to use this cherry juice on my crease. Oh, it blends out very easily. And next, I'm going to use this sugar cookie as the highlighter over here at the inner corner and also the eyebrow bone. I couldn't find a berry named highlighter color, so I will just use this instead. Next, I'm going to dab my finger to pick up the shimmers. I'll be picking up this cranberry and apply it on my eyelid. And this is so smooth. This is so going to be a nighttime look. Then using my index finger to slightly blend over here so that the color blends out more naturally. And applying blackberry at the corner, the outer corner of the eyes. Alright, I will do the rest of my eye makeup off screen, then come back with the lower lash line. See you in a while! Hello dears, I'm back! I've already done my lashes and also eyeliner, so now waiting for the eye glue to dry up. And I couldn't help myself but to bring this blackberry to the crease. I don't know why, I just do it automatically. This color to the crease. So next, proceed to the lower lash line and then the look will be completed. So I'm going to apply this blueberry muffin at the lower lash line. Yes, it's so simple. This is look number 2 and I've already applied the eyeshadow base. Going for a more natural look now. So I'll be using this soft and sweet on the crease. And next, using this bittersweet as the crease transitional color. Next, apply this color sugar cookie in the inner corner. And using my finger to pick up this color, this is the honey dip, and apply in the center of the lid. And blend with a clean finger over here. to merge these two colors together. Next, apply this color, chocolate mousse, over here. Let me go off screen to apply the lashes and the eyeliner. We'll be back soon. Hello dears, I'm back. So now continuing with the lower lash line. And I'll be using this color again to draw the whole of the lower lash line. I just want a very simple look. Simple and natural. And that's all! This is the look number 3 and I've already applied the base. Let me start off with this color, soft and sweet on the crease. Next, applying this chocolate mousse as the crease transitional color. I'm going to do a cut crease, so I'm going to use this Wet n Wild concealer to do the cut crease. I'm going to create a not so halo eyes. So now I'm going to apply this warm pie, which is a matte with glitter at the both ends of my eyes. And slightly join the above. Next, I'm going to use my little pinky finger to pick up this color Honey Dip and apply it at the center part of the eyelid. And I'm going to apply this Sweet Cream, which is a pale pink matte, on the eyebrow bone as a highlight. And let me go off screen to complete the rest of my makeup, then I'll come back with the lower lash line. See you in a while! After a long while, I'm back! So let us continue with the lower lash line. I'm going to repeat my upper lid to the lower lid. So I'm going to use this warm pie on both edges of my eyes. But my eyes is teary now, so the color may not stick to the eyelid. And the Honey Dip in the middle of the lower lash line. Next, I feel like wearing this on the inner corner to brighten the look up. And that's all for the eye makeup tree. Alright dears, that's all for the sharing today. So dears, which of these 3 eye makeup looks do you like the best? Is it eye makeup look number 1, number 2 or number 3? Please comment in the comment section below, yeah? Thank you so much. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. The thing always happens that you really believe in. And the belief in a thing makes it happen. Thank you so much for watching, dears. And oh yes, not sure if you have already watched that, I have an April giveaway, so I will link the video somewhere here. So if you like to, please participate in the giveaway. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, please help me to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification button for my future videos. Thank you so much again, and may you dears have a peaceful, blissful, and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye!